Hello everyone, and this is our today's Leetcode question. Minimum increment to make array unique. In this question, we have given one array. We have to make all the elements unique. Means suppose we have given 1, 2, 2. We have to convert this into 1, 2, 3. In this, all elements are unique. Means that they are must have distinct value. No duplication is allowed. They said they are unique and must be distinct. Our first test case have 1, 2, 2. We have to convert this to 1, 2, and 3. For converting this 2 into 3, we need one unit. Uh, Means their difference is 1, and this is our output. For second test case, they have given one array. First, we have to sort this array. After sorting this array, we get a result like this. For converting to all distinct elements, we have to convert this one into 2. This need 1 unit. For converting this 2 into 3, we need also 1 unit. After that, converting 2, we have to convert this 2 to 4 directly because have already converted this 2 into 3. So we need to convert 2 into 4. So we need here two operations. After that, after this, we have to convert this 3 into 5 because we have already converted to 4, and our array contains element 4. So we need to convert this 3 into 5. So we need two operations. After adding all this, our answer will be 6. So we have to return this addition of their increment values. So we can easily observe from this, if our element are same, we don't need any operation. If our previous element and our next element is same, then we need to do one operation. uh, for this, we are here uh, take, taking one while loop. If our value of next element is greater than previous element, simply we are increasing the count. We can here implement if statement, but if we implement the if statement, suppose there is a condition like this: 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Suppose this is converted into 2. Now we have to convert this into 3, then 4, and 5, and then 6. Suppose we have converted this into 4, and our next element is 2. After comparing 4 with 2, we are incrementing only one operation. If we are considering here one if statement, because of the while loop, we can increment the value to this 2 to directly 5. We are incrementing while loop until and unless our value will not get increase or greater than the previous value. So we are here dis defining this value for this edge case. Okay, we can run this. After running, we can see that test cases are passed. On submitting, it is easily submitted, and time complexity is also only the sort. means less time complexity, only certain complexity is required.